students, welcome to EVS online class. Today we are going to start our last chapter, Spicy Riddles. Children, do you know what is a spice? A spice is a seed, fruit, root, bark or other plant substance primarily used for flavoring or coloring food. Spices are distinguished from herbs, which are the leaves, flowers, or stems of plants used for flavoring or as a garnish. Spices serve several purposes in cooking and can be used to add flavor and aroma. Spices can transform a meal by adding a range of flavors from a hint of sweetness to a kick of heat. They also give beautiful aromas that are often our first determining factor for whatever we want to eat a meal or not. Some spices are using in healthy way. Cinnamon to lower blood sugar. This popular spice comes from the bark of the cinnamon tree and it is used in everything from pumpkin spice lettuce to Cincinnati chili. Turmeric to fight inflammation. Ginger to relieve nausea. Garlic to boost heart health. Turmeric is the world's most well-known superfood spice, ranked very high on the list of the world's healthiest spices. Turmeric has been known for its anti-inflammatory properties. However, it has also been known for its ability to help fight depression and its ability act as an antiseptic and cancer-fighting agent. We are going to see some riddles. I can be powdered fine to make food hot and spicy. If too much of me added, I make you gasp, she. Your eyes and nose burst into water and you cry. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? Chili. Grind me and powder me to make your food like yellow. I am mixed in oil by granny and applied to wounds quickly. I heal all wounds big and small. That is why I am loved by all. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? This is yellow color spice, which is this turmeric, otherwise haldi. Small and round like a pearl, I am black when I am whole. I can be powdered, coarse or fine. A sharp and spicy taste is mine. Whether it is salty or sweet, I am added as a special treat. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? This color is black. It look like a pearl. Black pepper, otherwise kali mirch. I am a small and skinny chap. Sometimes I am brown and sometimes black. Added to hot oil and ghee, I spread my fragrance all around me. When I am roasted, curd and jaljeera are favorite to me. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? This color is sometimes brown and sometimes black. Whenever it is added to hot oil and ghee, this spread the fragrance in all around. And whenever we are roasted, curd and jaljeera are favorite to me. Then who is this? This is cumin, otherwise jeera. I look like jeera, though green am I. To make your stomach healthy, I always try. Eat me always after your meal. I refresh your mouth. You surely feel. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? This is like a jeera and this color is green. It is very good for our stomach. Whenever our meal after, we take it as a mouth freshener. Then who am I? This is fennel or soap. I look like a nail, but a bud am I. Chocolate brown color and a strong smell I have. When your toothache makes you shout, I soothe the pain in your mouth. Think and tell me, who am I? This is cloves. Now try and make your own riddles about two other spices. Ask those riddles in your class. Draw pictures of two spices in your notebook and write their names. Which spices are used in your house for cooking? Find out. Make a list and look at your friend list too. Coriander, cumin, saffron, pepper, turmeric, fenugreek, garlic, ginger. When your grandparents were young, which spices were used most in their kitchen? Red chilli, coriander, onion, turmeric, etc. Name one spice which is put into both sweet and salty things. Cardamom is one spice which is put into both sweet and salty things. What is put into food to make it taste sour? Vinegar is put into food to make it taste sour. I am Kuttan. I live in Kerala. There is a garden of spices in the backyard of my house. There I see plants of Tejpata, otherwise bay leaf, small and big cardamom and black pepper. Find out whether any spices are grown in your area and write their names. The spices grown in my area are chilli, turmeric, ginger and garlic. Bring some whole spices to class. Write their names in the table. Close your eyes and try to recognize each spice by smelling and touching each one in turn. Put tick mark in front of the ones you recognize. If you do not recognize, put cross mark. First one, name of spice cardamom. The smell is strong and uneven surface. Chilli, smell is very strong and smooth. Ginger, smell is light and uneven surface. Turmeric, very strong and smooth. Garlic, very strong smell and uneven surface. Let us try to make a spicy chana chaat. For this you need boiled chanas, enough for every day in the class. Salt, red chilli powder, mango powder or lemon according to the taste. Roasted cumin seeds, black salt and garam masala if it is possible. Fresh coriander leaves. Add salt, red chilli powder, amchur powder or lemon juice according to the taste in the boiled chana. To make your chaat more delicious, add a little roasted cumin seeds, black salt and coriander powder. A pinch of garam masala can also be added at the end. Mix the chana well. Sprinkle chopped coriander leaves on the top. Hurrah, your spicy chaat is ready. Did you enjoy the chana chaat? Yes, I enjoyed the chana chaat. Just imagine, if there were no spices to make the chana chaat, how would it taste? The taste would be not that great if no spices were added. Try to learn and make different kind of chaat and enjoy it with all your friends in the class. How do spiceless and very spicy things feel on your tongue? Spiceless things give no sensation on my tongue, whereas spicy things give tingling sensation on my tongue. In this chapter we learned about different types of spices. Then what happens when you eat a lot of spice? Gastritis occurs when your stomach lining is inflamed and can be caused by eating spicy food. Most people experience acute gastritis, which just means it comes on suddenly and is temporary. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, and a feeling of fullness in your upper abdomen after eating. Now we are going to wind up our class. Thank you.